Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss some important points that you should keep in mind while drawing hands. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you should break down the hands into simple shapes and not just hands. Same for the torso, legs, heads and every other part of the body or every other object. Breaking complex form into shapes is like a cheat code for drawing object from different angles. For example, draw a box for a palm, a small triangular shape to indicate the thumb placement, and cylinder for the fingers. There are also a few important proportions to remember. The length of the palm is approximately equal to the length of the middle finger. Another useful guideline is that the lower segment of the finger is roundly equal in the length of the remaining upper segment of the finger. For example, the lower segment of the little finger is about the same length of the upper segment of the finger, and the same rule applies to the other fingers too. Now let's talk about the finger joints. As you can see, the joints follows an arc. So I simply draw a curve guideline to indicate their placement. The fingertips also follows the same arc. These are the some important points to remember while drawing hands. Now look at these two examples in the first picture. Everything looks flat. The palm, fingers and overall hand. But in second picture, the hand has much more volume and feels much more three-dimensional. So now let's draw this one. For the palm, I'll start with a box, but this time we will draw it in 3D. Then I'll add a triangle shape for the thumb. It's easy to get distracted by the fingers, so instead of drawing them immediately, I'll first mark their placement with a simple circles. When drawing the fingers, some artists don't even bother to draw the third joint of the finger because it's not really necessary. Even if you leave it out, the hand is still going to be readable. However, in some poses that the third joint becomes very important. Without it, the hands can look confusing or unclear. Here are few examples. So whether you draw it or not, it really depends on the situation. For this picture everything is going to be same. Box for a palm, triangle for the thumb, but finger, as you can see, the index finger and middle fingers are creating one big shape and remaining two are creating different shape. So I'll first draw the big shapes and after that I'll add details. As you can see, so that's it guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video is very helpful for you. So see you in the next video. Take care.